Across North America, national parks are celebrated for their summer beauty, but winter reveals a different magic. Snow and ice transform familiar landscapes, offering solitude and a sense of wonder. The crowds vanish, leaving behind a world of crisp air and profound silence. Winter is a time for quiet observation, for seeing resilience and raw beauty in a new light. The challenges of the season are rewarded with unparalleled peace and connection to the wild. Join me as we journey beyond the summer trails to explore the hidden wonders of America's national parks in winter. Our adventure begins now. Our first stop is Yellowstone, where winter transforms the park into a world of stark monochromatic beauty. Snow blankets the land, silencing everything but the breath of the earth. Geysers and hot springs erupt in clouds of steam, defying the cold. Old Faithful sends boiling water skyward, its spray freezing into rime ice on nearby trees. The thermal basins become warm oases, their vivid blue waters swirling with mist. Bison gather near the geysers, sweeping snow aside to graze on the warm ground. Coyotes and trumpeter swans are drawn to the unfrozen rivers, each movement a story of survival. The Madison and Gardner rivers, warmed by hot springs, flow freely through the frozen landscape, shrouded in ethereal frost fog. As sunlight pierces the mist, ghostly trees and animals emerge from the haze. With most roads closed, access is by snow coach or snowmobile, preserving the park's profound silence. This isolation offers a rare immersion in wilderness, where fire and ice meet in a dramatic dance. Yellowstone in winter is a journey into the heart of the wild, raw, powerful, and breathtakingly beautiful. Here, nature reigns supreme, and every step is a reminder of the park's untamed spirit. The solitude is unmatched, the experience unforgettable. In winter, Yellowstone's true character is revealed. It's a world few ever see, but one you'll never forget. Next, we head south to the Everglades, where winter brings gentle warmth and vibrant life. The dry season lowers water levels, concentrating wildlife in visible pools and sloughs. Alligators bask in the sun, their ancient forms calm and powerful. Bird life explodes. Roseate spoonbills, herons, egrets and ibises gather in dazzling numbers. Migratory birds from across North America find refuge here, making the Everglades a global crossroads for avian life. Kayaking through mangrove tunnels or joining a ranger-led slog reveals the park's subtle beauty. Orchids, bromeliads, and the intricate play of light on water. The Everglades in winter is a sensory delight, clear skies, calm waters, and the calls of countless birds. It's a landscape of abundance, where every visit offers new discoveries. Unlike the dramatic snowscapes elsewhere, the Everglades' winter wonder is found in its gentle climate and thriving ecosystem. Here, winter is a sanctuary, not an ordeal. The park's true richness is on display, inviting quiet exploration. It's a reminder that winter's magic comes in many forms. In the Everglades, life flourishes when the rest of the country lies dormant. This is a different kind of winter wonderland, one of warmth, color, and vitality. Discover the Everglades anew in its season of life. We travel west to Death Valley, a place of extremes that softens in winter. The scorching heat fades, replaced by mild days perfect for exploration. Walk the salt flats of Badwater Basin or marvel at the colors of Zabriskie Point and Artist's Palette under the low winter sun. Winter reveals the desert's subtle beauty. Long shadows, vibrant hues, and profound silence. Wildlife emerges. Coyotes, bighorn sheep, and even tiny pupfish thrive in this season. With enough rain, a rare wildflower bloom can transform the valley into a sea of color. As night falls, Death Valley's dark skies offer some of the world's best stargazing. The Milky Way stretches overhead, and the silence is absolute. Winter strips the landscape to its essentials: rock, salt, light, and space. Here, beauty is stark and unforgettable. Death Valley in winter is a place of peace, potential, and cosmic wonder. It's a reminder that even the harshest places can be gentle and inviting. Experience the desert's quiet magic when the sun is kind. Our journey leads to the Grand Canyon, where winter brings peace to this iconic landscape. Snow dusts the rim, highlighting the canyon's fiery colors and intricate layers. The air is crisp, the views crystal clear, and the crowds are gone. Dawn and dusk ignite the snow-dusted peaks in a magical alpenglow. Walk the rim trail in solitude, the silence broken only by wind and the call of a raven. Wildlife endures, mule deer forage near the rim, and the rare California condor soars above. For the adventurous, a winter hike below the rim reveals changing climates and quiet trails. The canyon's scale and age feel even more profound in the stillness. Winter offers a personal connection to this ancient wonder. It's a time for reflection and awe, free from the summer crowds. The Grand Canyon in winter is a place of quiet majesty. See it with fresh eyes, transformed by snow and silence. Experience the canyon's timeless beauty in its most contemplative season. In California's Sierra Nevada, Yosemite becomes a realm of granite and snow. El Capitan and Half Dome rise above a valley blanketed in white, their features sharpened by the cold. Waterfalls freeze into delicate sculptures, and the Merced River flows dark between snowy banks. On frigid mornings, fragile ice drifts down the river, a rare, mesmerizing sight. Trails become routes for snowshoeing and skiing, offering quiet exploration of meadows and forests. The giant sequoias of Mariposa Grove stand cloaked in snow, their red bark vivid against the white. Wildlife adapts, coyotes hunt beneath the snow, bobcats prowl the forest edge, and Steller's jays flash blue in the trees. Yosemite's grandeur is amplified by winter's starkness. The landscape is stripped to its essentials, revealing its true structure. It's a time for introspection and peaceful adventure. Yosemite in winter is serene, monumental, and deeply restful. Witness the interplay of granite, snow, and ice in a landscape at rest. Discover Yosemite's quiet soul beneath the winter sky. In Utah's Bryce Canyon, winter transforms the landscape into a surreal wonderland. Snow blankets the Hoodoos, their red and orange spires dusted like confectioner's sugar. The contrast is stunning, white snow against fiery rock, colors intensified by the clear, cold air. Long blue shadows snake between the spires, and sunrise sets the amphitheater ablaze. The park is quiet, offering solitude and contemplation among the stone formations. Rim trails and snowshoe hikes reveal new perspectives on this geological marvel. Ranger-led excursions provide insight into the winter ecology. At night, Bryce's dark skies and snowy landscape create a celestial spectacle. The Milky Way shines bright, and moonlight bathes the Hoodoos in ethereal light. Bryce Canyon in winter is a photographer's dream and a nature lover's sanctuary. Here, geology and snow combine for a world of color, silence, and wonder. Experience the magic of Bryce when winter reigns. Our final stop is Acadia National Park, where Maine's rugged coast meets winter's chill. Snow transforms granite peaks and evergreen forests into a serene, white landscape. The carriage roads become pristine trails for skiing and snowshoeing. Along the coast, waves crash against ice-encrusted rocks, and sea smoke rises from the Atlantic. Popular spots are deserted, offering solitude and the rhythmic sound of waves. Wildlife persists. Deer, foxes, and hardy seabirds thrive in the cold. Adventurers can ski or snowshoe to panoramic views of frozen bays and islands. Acadia in winter is a place of stark contrasts: granite, sea, and snow. It's a landscape stripped to its essentials, peaceful and powerful. Here, the magic of winter is found in silence and resilience. Acadia's frozen beauty is a fitting end to our journey. Even on the continent's edge, winter reveals a unique, enduring wonder. Our journey through America's winter parks ends, but the invitation remains. From Yellowstone's steam to Acadia's frozen coast, winter transforms these landscapes into places of quiet beauty and personal discovery. Fewer crowds, crisp air, and unique wildlife make for unforgettable experiences. If you're inspired, plan your own winter adventure, prepare well, respect the season, and embrace the magic. Thank you for joining me. For more adventures, subscribe to our channel. The world is full of wonders, in every season. Until next time, travel safely and keep exploring.